Hi, I just wanted to show you my item I bought off Amazon. I'll take out the box. This is my Versatility, Italy portable coffee machine, espresso with you. So it gives you in-house, in-office, business trip, outdoor travel, and information about it. Not too much on the box. Have a look inside. It's a tight fit. So it tells you portable coffee machine, Tripresso. Again, nothing much, but no fucking box. Just something. Okay. I'll just go up to my window. Oh, there we go. So, looks like it's a door. You've got card inside. And there you go. So, you've got padding on the door there to keep it nice and safe. And it's pretty cute, actually. Let's see if I can get it back on here. There you go, so it's a pretty cute little thing. Let's take this off. Now, because I've not used this before, I don't know how to use it, so I will need to read the instructions before I show you how to. But there's quite a lot inside actually. You've got the booklet, the little leaflet, you've got, this is infant. Looks like, what do we call it? Oh, it's too low now. Sorry. You've got a little rubber ring, so obviously to seal it. And then you've got well, to be honest, I am unsure about what these things are for. I don't think there's anything else in it. No. So, let's have a look. This is your coffee maker, I'm guessing. Perfect performance. We've got grips here. I really don't want to be pulling these around because I'm not sure exactly. 4 selected coffee capsules delight you every moment. Press every 2 seconds. So I'll bring it back down actually because I can't hold it like that. So you've got yellow one, delicato, soft, smooth and fruity. You've got the intensive one, which is a red. You've got the 100% so these colours here, they're all different flavours, I'm guessing. That's decaffeinated. The press frequency depended on different capsules for better experience. I've been told they don't take the capsules you can buy at the moment, but I think they're probably looking into that. So I was told that you need to use the normal ground coffee. So you've got like a little sippy type thing there and a little scoop. All this is really interesting. I wish I knew, because I've never used one of these before, so it's difficult for me to know. So you've got like the little plastic flap there, the sealer, and then you've got like a little sprinkler with holes in. Yeah. Put them together. So yeah, this is going to be really interesting. Once I learn how to use it, I'll probably make a new video so I can explain it better. But right now, we've got safety precautions, and there's the diagram, product structure. So you've got this here, you've got 80ml, 45ml, you've got the lock, the power cap, that's the power cap, the black one, the brewing sealing ring, so that must be that one in there, and you've got the filter, which is that stainless steel cap, then you've got a hand strut, what is that one? I'm not sure. Then you've got the water tank, maybe there. And this body one is water container. Then you've got under there's capsule accessory, coffee base, then the coffee cup, and the coffee, and the cup cover. That's the cup cover, must be. So, how to use? Hand strut has locking function to left or right before used to unlock. Press down and rotate to lock after use. Ah, there you go. Oh wow. You press it down and turn it around with your hand like so, and then it just springs up. And then you would lock it like that. Oh, brilliant. That's so clever. Oh, there you go. And there you go. You can take it out. Inside you go activated carbon. Oh right, so that must have to go in one of the compartments, I'm guessing. So this is your coffee cup by the looks. And there. That's really cute. I'm gonna have so much fun using this, but I really do need to learn how to use it first. Otherwise I'm just gonna break it, and I really don't want to do that. I've been looking forward to it so much. So I am going to learn how to use it, then I'm going to make a new video so I can show you exactly what to do with it. That's the best thing, I think, because I can't learn it on here. But yeah, it looks great. I'm really excited. So there you go. Thank you for watching. Bye now.